Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys if you can see a deleted message. So if I write something like, "Hey, is everything alright?" on my Discord server. So I just wrote the message and now I just want to remove the message. Let's remove this one as well. And I want to, delete this message. Now, obviously, being an admin, I can delete my message as well as others' message like this one. I can delete it, and I'm not gonna. Now, if we go to server settings, right, and then we go to audit log, as you can see, one message was deleted in general, updated rules for reaction bot, whatever. So this message that I deleted will not be shown by anyone or anything because the message was deleted, and Discord is secure enough to actually make sure that your deleted messages are actually deleted, so don't worry about it. With that being said, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.